有研究发现，为着要应对暖化危机，在海里的小艇仔鱼竟然会将家己的体型缩小，安尼需要食物甲这送素减少，存活率会当提悬78%。
看到这感觉色惨白色的小艇仔鱼，足侪人拢会去想到网家电影内底《海底总动员》的尼莫。一项上新的研究发现，尼莫的同类为着要对抗暖化引起的天气，会甲家己的体型变小。
So that our Nemos were doing this shrinking was very surprising. So we kept following them through what turned out to be a really big heat stress event. So it turned out that the water was much hotter, about 4 degrees hotter than normal, around their anemones. And that lots of our fish were shrinking.
研究人员指出，苏当时全球当咧经过第4届珊瑚白化的事件，有101只大约3/4的小艇仔鱼，身躯至少捌缩小1届。研究发现，有经过这届缩小的鱼，最后拢有活落来，就算是敢若缩小1届，存活率嘛提悬78%。不过，使人烦恼的是，多数海洋生物无像小艇仔鱼这么悬的适应力。美国另外一项研究发现，非洲沿海重度濒危的六角珊瑚、和米六角珊瑚，在2023年的热流已经濒临功能性的灭绝。
It's not a Caribbean reef without staghorn and elkhorn corals. So we're entering a completely uncharted territory, really just sort of making do with the best that we can.
研究人员表示，要让六角珊瑚和米六角珊瑚在非洲南部重新生长，恐惊需要一项突破性的计划。无论是白化死亡的珊瑚，也是体型缩小的尼莫，拢是对人类发出气候变迁的警讯。公司新闻詹慧敏编译。